Okay, Generation Next, we are back at it again. It is a fortnight when we come over here to continue the inspiration, the motivation, the movement. Today, my guest, I am humbled actually. Wally Saine is the CEO of Applied Research, Innovation and Manufacturing Company. Of course, you've heard me right. Manufacturing company here in Gambia. Someone who believes that society has a problem and needs to be solved. Are you a solver? Are you a problem solver? Are you? Well, let's hear from Wally and we'll pick it up from there. Wally, you're welcome.
Thank you, Stacey.
So tell us about, of course, I've mentioned that you are a problem solver. You solve societal problems. Tell us, what problem did you solve?
Well, we solve problems related to agriculture specifically. So farmers out there have problems in terms of growing their crops, harvesting their crops, and before harvesting it, protecting their crops. So these are all problems that we've seen in the Gambia, especially, farmers are struggling with, and unfortunately, these are poor farmers. So we don't have to depend to Asian countries or Chinese or Americans to come up with their machines here and solve this problem. No, no, no. We are Gambians, we are technicians, we are expertise. We need to provide those solutions to our local problems. So that's why we're up.
Obviously, you've mentioned agriculture, and we understand agriculture is the backbone of every nation.
Yeah.
Tell us more about what your company does and perhaps the machines, because yes, he is in innovative machines.
Yeah.
Tell us more about what those machines
So
are.
our company is a startup company. I have to clarify, it's not a very big company, but we want to be a big company.
Right.
So what we do specifically is to manufacture, to create, to make machines related to agriculture. So for example, farmers, when they harvest the rice, it comes with the grain. So they need to thresh it and take off that seed. We have machines that will do that. So initially what farmers do is, locally they use the grains and hit it on a barrel, keep hitting until the seeds get apart from the grain. And that's a very tedious work. It takes them weeks doing that, and then they end up developing some sicknesses out of that. So we come up with machines that you just have to press a button. It will, you put the rice, it will do it perfectly, save your time, save your energy, and you can do other works. We also have machines like the bird scarer. That is our first device that we've made since we started. And that machine is up for helping farmers to scare birds. So farmers, when they grow their rice, before harvesting, the birds come in large numbers, in millions, and eat almost 90% of their produce, taking them, to a state of backwardness where they don't have much crop to feed themselves. So we come up with these machines to help them. So this is a solar type bird scarer, in which you have the machine station and you have a solar panel powering the machine. So you just have to press a button and it will come on, and it gives out different sounds that would scare birds. So we also develop it further, the fact that to an extent that you no longer have to go and on it. You can just use your mobile phone and send a text on, it will come on. So these are all technical things that we are trying to do, so that at least Gambia also will be able to solve its own problem, not to depend on foreign engineers and technicians to solve our problems.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah.
Aww. So tell us more. What's the name of your company, and any other thing you may wish to add on as well?
Our company is called Applied Research, Innovation and Manufacturing. That's the name we chose for the business, so that people who want to buy our products will know that we are using research to build our machine. So what we do is we see, for example, we see what other countries are doing. Like for example, in China, they make a machine that would do a particular job. We looked at it and we look at the pros and cons. We know that this machine can not serve in our country because of their land and how people, the perception they have, how they spoil things.
Right.
Now we do something stronger and better than that. So since our establishment, we have made a range of machines. We have made milling machines, we have made ground threshers, we have made rice threshers, we have made corn threshers, we have made power tillers. We have also made different machines, like, that if you want to know about, you can go to our website, www.appliedresearch.gm. You can click on our Facebook page, Applied Research, Innovation and Manufacturing. Then you can see our line of business, what we do and so on.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So perhaps you may want to share a contact as well, and also where are you guys located? Where is the business located?
Yes, we are located at Salaji Paradise View. not far from the highway. If you just enter the main way, Salaji, before getting to the estate, you will see a mini market. After the mini market, that's where our workshop is.
Okay.
Yeah.
A number you may want to share.
And if you want to contact us, you can call us on 312-7570, 312-7570, or you can call us on 77-07177, 77-07177.
Okay. Anything else, perhaps in terms of support you may need as well that you want people to know?
Thank you so much, Chorr. We are very open for investment and support. Anybody who sees what we are doing and wants to be part of us as an investor, you're fully welcome. If you also want to support us to buy equipment, because till now we have problem with working equipments. So if you want to support us to get working equipments, please call us and then, you know, support us, change the dynamics of this country, support us to support other people. Yeah, and make this country a great country in West Africa.
Obviously, support is all it takes. We always talk about that here on Generation Next. And of course, if we have problem solvers, I believe most people would say that's what we lack in Gambia. Technicians, you know, those that cannot solve problems. So if we have young people in particular Gambia who are actually doing that, I think it's important that we step up our games and support. We have to support. Thank you so much, Wally. It was a pleasure. And do we come your way again? It's a bye from both Wally and myself. Cheers.
Really happy. Yeah.